Hello, in this video, let us see how to install and use 8086 emulator to check the 8086 assembly language programs on your computer. The 8086 emulator is a software or program which helps to run 8086 program on a host computer which is using a different processor such as i3, i7 and different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, etc. The link for downloading EMU 8086 emulator software is given in the description area of this video. Download and install it before starting 8086 programming, or you can follow the steps given here to install the software. Open the browser and search for EMU 8086. You will find the link like this. There may be many links. You choose the first one. The link will take you to this page. Click on the download button. Downloading has started. So you save the file downloaded in this folder and click on the setup file. Click on the next button. Again next. Choose the path for storing this file. I am storing it in D drive. And install it. Click on finish. Now the software has been installed. It is ready to use. I have installed the EMU 8086 emulator in this folder. Go to this folder and you will see this icon. It is executable file. So double click on this to execute it. It is opening and you click on this new, and there are many options. You choose the first option, COM template. When you use this template, your program will use only one 64K segment. Even if you are using many segments, code segment, data segment, stack segment, all these things will be put in a single segment of size 64 kilobytes. Since our program is very small, choose this COM template. Click OK. Now I am going to enter these two instructions in the emulator and execute, and I will check the flags after the execution of this subtract instruction. Now enter the instructions move AX, 5160H. H is important. If you are not putting H, then the value will be taken as decimal and the assembler itself will convert the decimal to hexadecimal value. So you be careful. Subtract AX, 6EDCH. So the first instruction will move 5160H to the register AX. The second instruction will subtract 6EDC from that value. So in the second instruction, this is source and this is destination. In the subtract instruction, always the source is subtracted from the destination. That means it will be AX minus source. Now, to execute these two instructions, you have to press this emulate button. It opens two windows. In the left side, you have all registers and even you can open the flag window. So all the flags initially are set to these values. Origin 100H will set the instruction pointer to 100, and the code segment may be set to any value. By default, in this assembler, it is set to 700H. Now the pointer is pointing the first instruction. You execute only this instruction by pressing this single step button. So that instruction is executed and 5160 is moved to AX. So AX is having now 5160. That is, lower byte will be stored in AL and higher byte will be stored in AH. Now you observe the flags. The flags have not been affected. So move instruction will not change the flags. Now let us execute the second instruction. It has been executed. So what is happening? When this instruction is executed, 5160 will be subtracted from 6EDCH and the result will be stored in AX. Now you see the AX. AX has the result E284. Also, let us check the flags. Carry flag is set to 1 and zero flag is 0. Sign flag will be set if the MSB is 1. Parity flag will be set to 1 if there are even number of ones. Auxiliary flag will also be set when you are borrowing from the second digit.